Three, two, one. Welcome back, guys. Yeah, my fucking hairs is like just getting a whole lot big. So let's see. Let's do the trade recap right there. GBP USD. We still waiting. Man, the quality of the video is getting so fucking good. You want to be look at the fucking blur backgrounds, huh? You feel me? We're growing every single day. So we're waiting for, look at this beautiful, we have avoided a loss right there. But now what we are waiting for, we're fucking waiting for the same exact thing. Break and retest to take the trade to the downside. Haven't took the trade. Next is CHF Oh my god, it's coming, it's getting ready, motherfuckers, it's getting ready, okay? It's getting ready. So, getting fucking hype right there. So this is the 4 hours higher high, 4 hours higher high, and this becomes the 4 hours higher low. Yeah, 4 hours higher low. So what we are waiting for to get 4 hours break, and then retest to take the trade to the downside. I pretty much believe. Fucking shit! Look at this. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. If Tuesday candlestick close under this box, under this what is candle, it is very likely that we are going to go to the downside. It's pretty, and it's a fucking liquidity grab. Man. This is it. Okay, just wanna say this is it. This is it. Literally, like, I can see it's coming. It's pretty much coming, and look at this is actually happening right there, man. I love it. But the only thing is, I will be, man, the hair, I will cut this motherfuckers right here. I will cut this, huh? So to be honest, to technically to take the trade, I have to be under this EMA to actually be interested to take the trade. Alright, boys, CHJPY is beautifully coming back. GBP USD, let's see GBP USD, can we shortlist this for tomorrow's trade? Probably. If this candlestick close like this, I'm just not interested to take the sell trade. Yeah, I just lost interest in the GBP USD. USDJPY, would you look at this? Exactly what is happening. The way it is, it should be happening. I'm just waiting for this candlestick to close under this box, under this structure, to actually make sense to take the trade. And beautifully, like, this is beautiful. This right there is beautiful. I believe what is going to happen, it's going to break, retest to take the trade to downside. 1 hour time frame is shifted bearish. This is it. Will be under the 1 hour EMA as well. This is literally is it. This is, we have to be on the screen tomorrow at 6:30, and I will update how it goes. But this is it. This is literally is it. Is it actually going to go down? I mean, we need to see. We really need to see, about regarding this. But at least we can predict what is going to happen. If we got that thing, then we'll be very much interested to take the trade. Even whenever we are above, we buy, under we sell. I want the price to be under this box. Like, I so understand that even if every single thing is perfect, and if only 1 hour time frame is not under that box, that particular box, it's going to hit your stop loss. I'm growing daily, every single day. I'm growing as a trader. You won't even believe. You will be believing me within 30 days. Because within 30 days, this trading software is going to get ready, and that once that software got ready, we're going to get rich, because that software is designed to make us rich. Trading software is designed to make us rich. I don't know about you, but I'm going to get rich using that trading software. Fucking shit! Look at my bicep, huh? Can you able to see? Oh, you can't, because there is no fucking bicep. So yeah, I'm gonna die. I think so. I'm gonna die. The aliens are going to come and it's going to take me. Before that happens, you need to, you have to learn this all of the shits from me, fucking faster as possible, before I die. Because if I die, all the secrets which I have explored in the trading, it's going to get consumed with me, and you will still be broke watching other people's videos. You just decide, you want to get rich or you want to escape the life you are into. If you are, then it's free community, join the community below. Yeah, I am not going to charge you anything. I just don't want to. I just don't want to make money from selling the courses, selling the signals, because if I do, then I will be fucking focused on focused on that, and I will just get distracted with my trading. No, no, no. I don't want to do that. I want to be a trader, because selling people is not going to make me rich. Trading is going to make me rich. That's what I believe, and that is what is going to get happen. GBP not interested. USDJPY beautifully coming, and probably guess so. Tomorrow we can have a trade. So now I'm just not going to see the charts. So I'm just shortlisting when I just want the short. My God, this is coming on my eye. I just want to shortlist this trade on a 2 days, because tomorrow morning I will be checking the chart. So I just want to see what trades we can take today. So this is it. This is literally is it. This is getting ready. This is fucking shitting getting ready to take the trade to the downside. Will be under the EMA as well, of 4 hours EMA. This is brilliantly beautiful. I personally like it a lot. We can literally enter into this engulfing candle right there. Engulfing candle happening at 19 at what it is 1930. It's pretty much going to, we have to wait for this 1 hour candlestick close. 1 hour candlestick is going to close at 1930, and we can pretty much take that trade. But that will be a very, very, very extremely high risk trade. I'm just not interested to take such type of high risk trade. I'm just will be interested to wait for the break and then retest to take the trade for the fucking downside. It is what it is, brother. So yeah, CHJPY tomorrow we will be interested to take the trade. USDJPY, if we have the break retest, then we'll be taking the trade to the downside. What we will do now, just to just to be chart hygiene, we'll delete all of this. Because I just don't want to come on the market and have bunch of things which I fucking make confused. I just want to see, what we are waiting for. It's pretty simple. We wait for break, retest, taking the trade to the downside. It is so simple, man. Look at the fucking camera right there. It just completely shift a whole 180 degree. The way I was recording, the way it is recording right now. With the fucking HD and HD, huh? Something clicks, huh? Very bad, very bad. Watching HD things, everyone knows. Alright, boys, let's come back tomorrow. Signing off.